everyone, today I would like to share you our new powerful cavitation machine here. It is our new CaVstorm, the 3rd generation machine. So now let me introduce more to you. As we all know, we have the cavitation 1st and 2nd generation before, but for the 3rd generation cavitation machines, we designed a new ultrasonic transducer to the machine, so it is with much stronger power. Okay, so maybe many people are interested in the difference between the old version and our new, the 3rd generation cavitation. Let me tell you. We designed the new one from the output power from 1 point to the skin. However, the old version is only from the 1 point to our skin. Okay, as we can see here, let me show you our new machines now. We can see here are 2 handles here. This one, it is our new design as well. It is with a vacuum here and radio frequency, and this one, it is the cavitation 3rd generation, and it is also with vacuum here. And both of them, the vacuum can be removable, so we can make the treatments together or separately for the radio frequency vacuum and the cavitation and vacuum. Okay, we would like to show you the little difference to you guys. We can see this one is our old version cavitation proof, and we need to take it like this way. However, for our new handle, we can take it like this. So it is also a little difference between them. Okay, so next step, let me show you how to operate this machine. Yes, firstly, we would like to show you this cavitation vacuum. We can see here, we need to adjust the energy and the treatment time, and the suction and release time as Euro machine. Here we can adjust the energy and then start. Okay, now so let me show you how to use this new CaVstorm machine to make the treatment on our model now. We need to adjust the energy first and then adjust the treatment time. Okay, now let me show you how to make the treatment now. Okay, we need to apply enough oil before the treatment. Massage the skin enoughly to make the oil on our skin. Okay, we need to hold the handle like this so we can make better treatment. It is radio frequency, and we need to massage the skin. It can help lift our skin, yes, like this, and also we can make small circle to make our skin relax. We can adjust the energy during the treatment, higher the temperature or lower. It can help to accelerate the skin and help the cavitation treatment later. During this treatment, maybe we will make the red skins, but please don't worry, it will disappear about 0 minutes after treatment. Okay, let's come to the second step. It is cavitation and vacuum treatment here. Firstly, we need to adjust the suction and the release because we can see here it is with vacuum. And then we need to adjust the cavitation energy. Yes, adjust it to lower energy first because it is powerful machine, so we need to adjust it to a low power so that our clients can adapt these jets. And then we need to adjust the vacuum wave so that we can control the suction. Okay, let's make the treatment. Before the treatment, we also need to apply enough oil, and we have applied the oil, so let's start the treatment now. Make the handles massage from our skin to make fat burning. The vacuum can make our skin tightening, and the cavitation can make our skin the fat burning. It is jaunt enough, as we can see it. Wow. Yes, the vacuum make our skin we can see during the treatment we will cause the red skin, but it will disappear later. And for the stats, we recommend you to make the radio frequency first, and then make the vacuum cavitation, and then make the radio frequency vacuum again for this machine, so to make the best result. Okay. It is the cavitation vacuum treatment now. Okay, the last step, radio frequencies and the vacuum. This step is to help the fat cells detour from our body to the outside the body. The radio frequency can help the skin tightening and skin lifting. Yes, like this. How the body detours the fat cells. We use the cavitation before. And after the treatment, we recommend you to drink more water so that it can help our body detox. And for the CaVstorm, we can use it on our arms, on the thighs, on our belly, and also yes, on the fast area. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. If you need more information, please message us to get more details.